Now the final step of this ConvertKit setup is to add the 2 new automations to coincide with the 2 new email sequences that we have. Now we already have the first one from the first tutorial, Podio new lead automation. So basically we have to create 2 more that are exactly like this, except for we're referencing different tags and different sequences. So we'll click New Automation, Create Automation, then we'll choose when a tag is added to tag, select the tag. So we're going to create, the first one is the Podio Cell House Quickly Info, add event. That's the first part. Now we just have to add the second part, just adding it to the sequence. So we click the plus, action, email sequence, and now we have to add it to the Podio Cell House Quickly Info email sequence. Add the action. And that's it. So this one's done. We just have to give it a name. Podio Cell House Quickly Info. I already have one by this name, so I'm just going to add a 2 after this. And now to activate it, it's on pause right now. We just have to turn it on. Turn it on. And there you go. That's the first sequence or automation. Now we'll go ahead and add the second one. New automation. Create automation is added to a tag. Select tag Podio not motivated. Add the event. Next we'll hit the plus. Adding an action, which is to add the email sequence. Find the Podio not motivated email sequence. Add the action. Then we are done. Give it a name. And then we'll turn it on. There you have it. We have the 3 automations set up, so when we apply a tag Podio not motivated, it will be assigned this sequence. When it's Podio Sell Your House Quickly Info tag, it'll be assigned to this sequence. And when it detects that a Podio new lead item has been added, it will assign this sequence to that lead. So that's it. In the final video, we'll show you a complete test of how everything works and how everything comes together. And as always, if you have any questions, leave some comments below or send me an email at scott@strugglinginvestor.com. Thank you.